nice kiss.
Hey, today on the show, we're going to show you how to swim with dolphins. Dolphins have always been synonymous with Florida. Just gaze long enough at the ocean, Gulf, intercoastal, or even some of our rivers and bays here in Florida, and you'll be sure to find dolphins playing in the background. So Chase and I decided to set out on a dolphin adventure to get up close and personal and to learn more about these fascinating mammals.
They call him Flopper, Flopper, wonderful dolphin, flipping and flopping and splashing about.
About an hour south of Jacksonville, just below St. Augustine, and right on A1A is Marineland, home to one of Florida's very first attractions. We just passed Marineland, which is pretty easy to do. It's a small little town, but it's got something really cool inside of it. Step 1, get to know your Marineland history. Marineland opened in 1938 as Marine Studios, an underwater headquarters for Hollywood, creating spectacular underwater footage for major motion pictures and newsreels. People traveled from all over the world to get a first-hand look at the marine life above ground and underwater. It was Florida's first theme park. Today, guests have the opportunity for a more interactive experience.
I can't tell if the trainers are having more fun or the dolphins. I can't tell.
Our founders had a vision of creating marine studios to film movies that showed creatures from the ocean in their natural environment. So they wanted to build a facility where they could actually film that. And our founders were involved in films such as Gone with the Wind and King Kong, some of the big ones from the past. Lloyd Bridges was a regular here doing some scenes from Sea Hunt. We had Creature of the Black Lagoon, The Revenge of the Creature of the Black Lagoon. Even Benji learned how to scuba dive to swim underwater.
If somebody wants to come out here and do this, what are some things they need to know?
We have a wide variety of programs at different price points, and so if you're interested in touching and feeding dolphins and a very simple program, we can do that, all the way up to the in-water programs, the immersion programs, and if you're really thinking about the industry as a whole, we have Trainer for a Day where you can actually spend a whole day with a trainer. Okay. But even if you're not doing a program, you can come as a general admission guest and enjoy just watching what we do on a day-to-day basis in our office.
After Kurt gave me a quick tour of the facility, it was time for my son Chase and I to suit up and get wet.
Hey, Daddy, look, dolphins this way.
This way, dolphins.
All right, let's go meet Augie.
Today, we meet up with Augie.
Hi, Augie. Good to see ya. Good to meet ya. Look at him wave right back. Good job. All right. Now, I think we got to give him a rub. What do you guys think?
So we're going to get the feeling.
Yeah.
Augie is one of the many dolphins that have been part of the Marineland family for generations. Smooth, but a little texture to it. But you can see why they can go so fast in the water. Their skin is absolutely just silky smooth.
Pull your hands back for a second. I'm going to give him the signal to ask for his tail. All right? Can we see your tail? What do you think? He says, sure, here's my tail.
Wow.
These are called the flukes, which is a silly name. I love it. And the flukes have no bone or muscle in them. They're just made out of cartilage, like what your nose and your ears are made out of, which is kind of neat. All the power comes from this part of the dolphin here. You guys want to see what you can do with this tail? All right, I'm going to teach you your very first dolphin training signal, all right? You're going to raise your right hand up to your forehead, and on the count of 3, you're going to shoot it up to the sky, okay? Oh my gosh, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3, throw that hand up there. There we go. You did that all by yourself. Yeah, here we go. Woohoo!
And then watch his tail flipping.
Check that out. Oh yeah.
Step 3, dolphin school. What is it like being here working with these animals every single day?
It's amazing. You never get sick of it. It's the most amazing thing to come in here and interact with animals you've spent so long building relationships with. And no matter what kind of day you're having before you come in here, it's always good once you see the dolphins.
It just melts away. So one of the things working with dolphins, you work with, these fish. I mean, they don't eat, hot dogs and hamburgers.
That's right.
They eat fish. Tell us a little bit about what these dolphins eat.
All right, well, here we offer them 2 types of fish. We have the smaller guy here. This is called a capelin.
Okay.
And then the larger guy here is called a herring. And the herring is kind of like the meat and potatoes of the dolphin's diet.
Okay.
The capelin is kind of like the salad, I guess. So we like to make sure that they get an even mixture of both types of fish. And we monitor each fish that the dolphin gets down to the last calorie. So we always know exactly how many calories the dolphins are getting.
And how many calories are we talking about?
Oh, anywhere from the younger ones, maybe 4,000 calories. The ones that are eating more, over 15,000 calories a day.
15,000 calories
Yeah.
a day. Have you ever bitten into one of these?
Oh, sure.
You dare me to bite into this?
I dare you.
You've bitten into one of these?
Yes, absolutely.
I kind of believe you.
Yeah, you should. I'm telling the truth. It's part of trainer initiation.
Well, I'm going to stop talking about it. I'm just going to do it.
Oh, yeah! How's it taste?
You know what? It tastes like a sardine. It's not bad. Nah, nah. I think a breath mint around here, Tic Tac would be great.
What an incredible encounter it was to see and touch one of the most magnificent animals on the planet. Since its inception as a pioneering underwater film studio, this Florida treasure has been dedicated to the research, conservation, and education of these amazing sea creatures and their marine environment.
A facility like ours, we wouldn't be able to build today if it wasn't for the history of Marineland and the science and research that we founded here that led us into the progression of our industry as we know it.
What an inspiring and iconic place to bring the family and connect with these true Florida superstars. Hey, for more information on swimming with dolphins, go to our website at howtodoflorida.com.
Right, buddy?